Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have another sketchbook video here from Kaylee. Kaylee, how you doing? Kaylee, tell us, how long have you been watching these videos, these sketchbook videos?
Since middle school.
Middle school, and we're in first year of college.
Yeah.
Wow, what's your dream job, Kaylee?
Storyboard artist, and then climbing up to TV animation director.
Very cool. So let's check out your sketchbook and let's go backwards, okay? So you said that you started your sketchbook backwards, and this was way back in September.
During orientation week, I accidentally got the wrong sketchbook and I drew from the back.
Oh wow. Okay, so you're doing really traditional pencil and it looks really good. And I'm happy that you're showing, I mean, you came in with some raw talent, didn't you? Did you say you took a pre-college class?
Yeah, I think back in sophomore year in high school. So.
Okay. So this is the beginning. This is after September 5th. And we were doing lots of rough skeletons, and you're doing really good. Lots of movement with those rough skeletons. A little bit of torso peanut shape. Now, tell me a little bit about the page on the right, that one right there. You're just using like what kind of pen?
Just ballpoint pen, highlighters. I think this pen I actually borrowed from my roommate.
Cool.
But I don't remember which one.
So your dream job is to be a storyboard artist and then move into a director possibly.
Mm-hmm.
And how long have you been drawing?
Since
those are nice.
I think 5 years old or younger.
Okay, very nice.
And then this page was
Homework grayscale.
the last one, but I ran out of pages, so I just stuck it.
Oh, you started to draw on the, so these are the homeworks and that is the angles, and you did a magnificent job. But this is what you really like to do. Okay, so slow down a little bit. So tell me a little bit about this page. You're just drawing this out of your imagination?
Yeah, this is a tardigrade. They're like microscopic creatures that are basically immortal. And I thought that it would be funny if they were like huge.
Nice. I'm telling you, I really appreciate the way that you do the homework. Now this, hold on now, slow down. This drawing on the right, tell me a little bit about the orange.
Oh, right. For visual narrative, you have to create a story and characters. So my character is someone who gets cursed into becoming ink monster.
Cool.
So I'm designing him like over the course of the sketchbook also.
Wow, that's really, those are great torso, great bodies, beautiful job.
I'm not proud of that one actually.
So very expressive, beautiful line, very gorgeous, love it.
This is the first time when I bought the cola race pencils.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I went kind of hog wild on it.
And this is back to the ballpoint pen. Hold on now, those heads are, you're just doing that out of your imagination. That is gorgeous stuff.
That's the visual narrative character, still developing him.
Love it. So you got a whole bunch of different colors. Why don't you rotate that? It's nice. It's nice.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yeah, it's all good. It's, you know, the one thing about, just push your sketchbook slightly towards me. There you go. Perfect. The one thing that you can keep flipping. The one thing about the sketchbooks is that I really appreciate each student sharing their sketchbook, because it's just random practice, random doodling. Some of it's not so random, like the homework that you see there for negative space. But to share your sketchbook, that's going above and beyond, so I really appreciate it. Can you rotate?
Which way?
I want to see the loose leaf one. Just beautiful job, love it. Very expressive. Now this is your character?
It's me.
Love that. A little bit of figure drawing. Now tell me a little bit about those figures. Is that from what?
Croquis Cafe?
Yep, and that's from my website?
Yes,
Okay,
I think.
beautiful. Yeah, that's Marissa. These have so much beautiful movement to them. Okay, so tell me a little bit about this on my left, your right.
These?
Yeah.
Just got a little bored listening to doing animation lectures, so like just scribble on the side, ballpoint pen.
Beautiful. Wow. What I love about your drawings is they're all very loose, very gorgeous, and you just jump right in. It's just quite beautiful.
Thank you.
And what is this page about? This was your inspiration?
Yeah, I didn't have the color printing working out yet, so like it's all gray and like a little bit grainy, but like.
So who's your favorite artist?
Where is she? Grace Liu. I saw her art during middle school, and I just fell in love with how like actiony and like lively the characters are, even when they're just like standing still or like sitting. Like how you can see like the motion in her art. So
Nice.
she's my biggest inspiration.
Now, you finished this sketchbook in 8 weeks, correct?
Yes, 7 weeks I think.
Yeah. So have you always been a really good student?
Yes, people say that.
Yeah. Oh wow, you gotta rotate. I really appreciate that you did that homework that way. I'm so excited for you. That is gorgeous.
I think the surface plane and the angles are actually one of my favorite stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
That's rare. Most people don't like that, but that was beautiful. Maybe it's because you are such a natural at drawing in an organic way that the surface planes is something different for you.
Maybe, I don't know.
Now, before I keep flipping, before I forget, I have to make sure I get your social media before you leave here today.
Do I say it now?
No, you're gonna write it down. We're gonna leave it for a tease. Actually, it's in the description right underneath the video. Hold on, those are beautiful.
Squash and stretch.
Nice. It sounds like there's a movie on next door, doesn't it?
Kinda.
It's like somebody's screaming. It's like a horror movie in 1001F.
I hate horror movies.
Nice. So you're really practicing.
I love doing anatomy studies.
Wow.
And these were sketches from Madison Square Park. What was it?
Cool. Are you gonna go on the field trip, or are you gonna be away?
I think I'm gonna be away, but I really wish I could. I'll have to see.
We'll go. We're gonna go there again. No
Yay.
worries. A little bit of marker, a little bit of experimentation. Just out of your imagination, right? Now hold on, let me just... Beautiful hands. And that's just out of your imagination.
Yeah.
Good job, wow.
Thank you.
Excited for you. And you're doing the line that separates the shadow shapes. Love it. That's gesture and light and shade packed into one with marker. Homework drawing. And the Metropolitan Museum of Art, you went there on your own?
Mm-hmm.
Good for you. Hercules, beautiful statues. So you're doing so you guys understand on YouTube the beautifulness of the traditional statues, life drawing practice, and then also doing cute characters out of one's imagination. So as a teacher, it's so very important that I constantly preach that you need to draw out of your imagination, you need to draw from photos, and you need to draw from life. You need to do all three. Now the percentages that you do is up to you, but you just need to do all three. So that's at the museum, the wonderful statue.
Mm-hmm. These were my favorite, definitely.
Yeah, good for you. That's the American wing. Gorgeous.
I think that was during figure drawing club.
Okay. So you're even going to a figure drawing club.
Mm-hmm. It fills up a lot of space for my sketchbook, actually.
Introducing a little bit mixed media. Love it. So do you guys see how the okay, hold on a second, this is beautiful. Do you guys see how the sketchbook is even getting better and better as Kaylee is progressing through it? And the movement, the line. What's been your favorite class here?
Definitely drawing.
But which one specifically? Keep flipping. The line,
Your-
the portrait, the perspective, the light and shade.
Your class and visual narrative are my two favorite classes.
Cool. Okay, so let me ask that question a different way. What technique that I have taught in here has helped you the most?
I think the one that you keep hammering for me is the what was it? Don't have the same line weight all over.
Yes.
And I'm trying to like keep that up, trying to implement them more.
Good. So a little bit of shape and tone. That was in the figure drawing club.
Mm-hmm. The theme was 1920s, and I had to go. So that's at the beginning again.
Okay, so let's tease a little bit of the second sketchbook, okay? And Merlin is on deck. Right, Merlin? All right, yeah, let's tease a couple of pages. So this is your second sketchbook.
Yep.
And actually, you know what? Let's start from the beginning. Let's just do like the first few pages in.
I think I wasn't really feeling it for the first page.
Okay, so then skip to where you were feeling it. I like the sneaker.
Starting here.
Wow. So this was in late October. Beautiful. Lots of movement. Beautiful.
That was the visual narrative character. I keep developing.
So you're really doing a lot of movement, a lot of gesture with everything. Nothing's really static. Hold on a second. That's a really wonderful page. Good. Excellent homework with form. I'm going to begin here step-by-step department. Good for you. Love it. More form. So very traditional. Pencil. Excellent work.
Thank you.
And then different. And then really stylized. Characters. Movement. Gesture. Line. All right. So we're going to save the rest of this sketchbook for the end of the semester. And Kaylee, I want to thank you so much for sharing your artwork, and we'll post your social media below.
Thank you.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.